Hey guys, it's Lisa from the blog Farmhouse on Boone.com, and today I want to show you how to make a DIY gift basket for your mom this year for Mother's Day. I made a gift basket around Christmas time and it seemed to be a really popular idea, and a few weeks ago I got to thinking I wish I had done something for Mother's Day. And then I realized that I actually still totally have time because it's about a month out, and so I'm going to share with you this simple idea, and it's based on some tutorials mostly that I've already shared with you. So first up, the beeswax candle. Now, I showed you how to make this in a recent video tutorial. I will link it below so that you can see. But what is great about a lot of the things in this basket is once you get the ingredients for one homemade product like this, you usually have the ingredients for the rest. So things like shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, some ingredients you already have like coconut oil, olive oil. Once you have those things, you can kind of make all of this. You can refer to the beeswax candle tutorial to figure out how to make this. Also in this basket is some lip balm, DIY lip balm, which I shared in a previous video tutorial. I will link below. And I just put that in a little muslin bag to make it look cute in the basket. All natural whipped body butter. Again, a tutorial I already shared. And I just put in this cute little flip top jar. I will link in the description below the sources for all of this. And as you can tell, there's labels as well on the blog, so I will link that. I made a bath salt, which I just did by combining 2 tablespoons Epsom salt, 2 tablespoons sea salt, a half a tablespoon of baking soda, and then 7 drops each of lavender and frankincense essential oil. So this is a nice relaxing soak for mom to put in the bathroom after a long, hard day. I also made an essential oil based body spray. So this is just my favorite essential oil blend called Citrus Bliss mixed with some witch hazel and water. 2 parts water, 1 part witch hazel, and then about 20 to 30 drops of Citrus Bliss. You could use any essential oil that you have. Lemon, orange, lavender, all great choices. All will smell delicious and won't be chemical based like perfumes. It smells so good. You do need to shake this because the essential oil wants to settle, but it's a very cute little addition to the gift basket. I also made a relaxing roller. So just relaxing oils. I used a blend called Serenity. You could use lavender, is very relaxing, frankincense, whatever you have on hand. I just filled this with about 20 to 30 drops of the essential oil, and then the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Then I topped it all off with a cute Turkish towel in keeping with my relaxing kind of spa themed gift basket here. I just found this on Amazon. It's a nice striped towel, kind of matches my labels, and I thought that would look cute in the basket. Now these are all ideas that obviously look pretty together in a basket, but if you just want to make 1 or 2 of them for your mom, it'd be a sweet little gift for her this Mother's Day. So to make this basket extra special, I made some printable labels that go with each individual item, whether you want to make them all or not. They all come on 1 sheet, and you just download them and print them out so that you have this here. It is over in the blog post on how to make this Mother's Day gift basket, so I will link that below so that you can check out the whole post, all the sources, details, and snag up some free printable labels to make your little roller bottles and all these things look nice and pretty. While we're on the topic of Mother's Day gifts, I wanted to show you guys our Mother's Day pillow collection. Many of you know, if you don't all know, that I have a grain sack pillow shop here in the farmhouse. Actually everything is sewn right here in our home, and we rolled out a Mother's Day line. So I want to show you a little bit about that collection. I will link those below also. You can snag one of those for less than $20. We can personalize them, so we had some people saying, can I get it to say Mimi or Mama, or a bunch of different ideas people had that they call their mother or their grandma that they wanted to bless them with this Mother's Day. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are brand new here, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch and natural living in a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.